Hi guys, I'm coming to you from the top of one of our four-wheeler trails. We put this one in back in the fall. We've had a lot of rain in Tennessee yesterday and last night. As you can see, it has really done a number on the road. And we normally have a little bit of waterfall coming down from the top of the mountain. I'm thinking it's probably a natural spring or something because it comes straight from the top. But as you can see right now, it is roaring and it is huge. I've never seen this much water come down through there since we've been here. And we've been here for about 9 months. I know this is trivial compared to what a lot of people are dealing with. But I just want to show what all is going on that I have been able to see right now at our homestead. I haven't been out on any of the rest of it. We'll keep you updated. Hope everyone is safe. Here's the creek in front of the house. It's normally just a little stream, maybe a foot deep or so. We're in the road right here.